Hey guys, I am Avinash and welcome back to our channel AviArmy123. So guys, as you know, I have promised you in the before video that the before video like in 3 likes completed, I'll make the video of the unlocked version, I mean the premiums of Intro Maker. So this is only that video guys, so we'll talk about the Intro Maker, how to unlock its premiums. Let's start guys, let's start. So guys, to unlock the premium you no need to do much more, just go to the Chrome, and guys remember, go to the Chrome only and do, never go to the Google guys. Google is the waste of time. Open the Google from the Chrome. In this you can see everything clarity guys. I have tried in Google so it's very time wasting. So guys, type store apk, store play apk. As you can see it has came here, just click on that, storeplayapk.com. okay guys, and guys click on the search bar, type Intro Maker guys. In this you can see many more apps of apks. Intro Maker, click on go guys, and guys as you can see Intro Maker has been arrived. Video Maker also apk version is there guys, you can download it. As in the before video I have showed you how to edit your videos. And guys as you click on that, take some time guys, you get and click on download apk guys. Download apk, 1 minute guys. Yes guys, download apk. It's been downloading. It goes to a website, scroll down, and guys it shows like this. Scroll up guys, sorry for saying that. Scroll down and click on the first link, just click on it, and guys click on this download. Very simple application guys, it's a very simple application. And guys it starts downloading. I have already downloaded, so I click cancel and go to downloads guys. As you can see Intro Maker has been downloaded. Click on it and give the setting permission guys, it's not a harmful application, and click on this and just download it guys. So guys as you click on it, it downloads and it installs. Just open that application, I'll show you. So guys, we have successfully hacked this app. I have tried this video before also guys, but it didn't come good, so I'm recording it again. So guys as you can see, the unlock premium version is also unlocked guys. I'll show you by installing it in Play Store also. I'll show you an outro guys. As you can see this outro, keep this outro in your mind guys. I have downloaded it. As you can see, I'll type some text. Title is not there guys. Yeah. Text, okay, something, yeah. After that font also, some fonts will be in the premium version guys, I'll show you. And these are the letters and animation guys. These all will be in the premium version. Only the first line will be in the normal version. I'll show you guys, I'll show you, and you can click here, just click on it. It downloads, and you can see that in your gallery. I'll show you the apk that I click on the VIP. And guys when you click on the VIP, as you can see we have already unlocked the upgraded the VIP version. I'll show you in the normal Play Store one guys. I did not buy it guys from this application only, it's already forever VIP is upgraded for us. 1 minute guys, I'll delete this guys. Remember that outro that I have shown you and the font and I'll just go guys. So guys I am installing this from the Play Store. I have deleted it from the application link that I gave you. It takes some time, guys. I'll pause the video. And guys, there's another announcement, guys. If you support me, if in this video, if 3 likes completed and 90 subscribers completed, at present I have 80 subscribers, 90 subscribers or 3 likes, anyone, guys, if in those any one completed, I will show you the premium unlocked version of KineMaster. Yes guys, KineMaster, the premium unlocked version. Many people spend some money, I don't know, but they feel that why they did not have the premium unlocked version. I will show you, guys. I'll show you from the Play Store, guys, if 3 likes or 90 subscribers. Okay guys, 3 likes or 90 subscribers. Yes guys, 3 likes or 90 subscribers. Support me, guys, please. So I may support me, please support. If you keep 1 like, it's like a motivation for us. So this app is also installed, downloaded. And guys, the app is installed. I'm showing you the live proof, guys. Live proof I'm showing you. I'll take a screenshot for the thumbnail. Allow it, guys. As you can see, guys, in the before one minute, guys, it's giving the temporary. In the before one, wait, I will show you. As I told you that this one, in before one it came. As you can see, when I click you, it's asking for the premium. As you can see, guys, it's asking for the premium. In the before one, I have told you, I have showed you, it did not ask it for the premium. And guys, I'll go to normal one. I'll show you the animations also. In the before one, I have told you that only the first line will be. But this application is very good, guys. Nice application. I just type something. After typing next, click on the animation. As you can see, only the first line animations are not in the unlocked version, and the remaining one, guys, it's asking for the premium. As you can see, guys. So guys, this is the video with the live proof. Upgrade to use UIP resource, I don't want it. So that's all for guys for today. As you know, if you seen my before video, you may know that this is my first voice cam, not cam, voice video. So please support, guys, support. If you 1 like is 1 motivation, 1 subscribe. Guys, my friend also have a channel. He have 130, 140 subscribers. I want to beat him. I was just kidding. So we have done the challenge, guys, by 1 year. Before I use it to normally. So that's all, guys, for today. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.